people that will have the money to buy. Obviously, anybody will want food. Even toddlers want to buy food, but who has the capacity to buy? Please think hard. Don't when you want to run advert, don't just jump at it. Do your research first before you now come to create it. And I told you that it's advisable to create your audience, to create your saved audience. I'm going to show you how to create a saved audience, but I'm just showing you. It's still similar to this, it's just like this, but instead of creating it in this particular place under the advert I want to create, you create it separately. Then you just fix it, because creating your saved audience down should be like the first thing on your mind, and to help you to know who you want to target. Creating your saved audience and your adverts, that will help you seriously. Now 21 to 40. Yeah, even above can buy my food, but let me leave it at that. All genders, of course, all genders will want food. Demographics now, this is the interesting part. As usual, because it's food, I'm going to be adding engage shoppers. Engage shoppers behavior. I mentioned the last time that these engaged shoppers are people that have actually bought, and not just once, they are engaged, like they actively buy from Facebook. They actively buy from Facebook. Engaged shoppers, can you see? I think there's something called Facebook payments. So just try different things. Facebook payments. Okay, you see, Facebook payments is there. Now, these Facebook payments are people that have paid, that have bought from Facebook and have paid via Facebook. Can you see? So they most likely buy. Now, this Facebook payment users from the last, you can pick from the last 30 days or from the last 90 days. I'm going to pick from the last 30 days. So please, you have to be creative. You have to think of the things these people will do. You can even think of what they like. You can think of luxury, real estate. Maybe you want people that are engaged in real estate. So the ones that have money, we are selling researches, meal wears that luxury real estate. Can you see? Maybe real estate. Um, you can even pick job titles. At least those ones will have the money rather than the ones interested. Real estate developer, you can pick that. Real estate manager, job title. I'm going to pick manager. Hell yeah, real estate manager, job title. Can you see? So just be creative. And this is not the only thing now, because I'm okay. Let me leave that. Then I must also match. So these people that I pick, they must also match these people. Now let me start. Food. Um, let me type restaurant. Let me pick quick restaurants. Let me pick junk junk. Let me see, with junks with a nah, junk is not there. Fast food. Can you see? Yes, the fast food restaurant, blah blah. I'm going to pick fast food. If I see that my audience is narrowing, can you see my audience is 287? It is too low. No, it's too low. Let me remove in a real estate manager. They don't have to be rich, like rich that extent where they can buy food. So don't you let your audience be too low is my point. And it shouldn't be too high either. I think removing this thing didn't help. It's still low. Let me remove engage shoppers. Oh my god, sorry. Engage shoppers. I think removing them is even making engaged shoppers behaviors. Okay. Engage shoppers. The audience size is too low. But it's because I've not done my research before. This thing is literally stressful, honestly. The most stressful part of an advert is this targeting. Is this under this ad set where you have to target, because that's the cocoa, that's the whole point. Then the advert itself. Seriously. What should I put this time? Let me put let me check dominos. Okay. Who that likes the restaurant might actually, so you look for these big online companies that obviously they are buying online. So if they can buy online, because Domino's we don't actually have to go to the, me personally I do order online. I don't go to their outlets. I order online. So be if they can decide to buy online, then they might consider buying from you too. And you see my audience size is increasing. So I guess I actually wanted it to reach 400,000 and 500K, which I say is the minimum. But I don't putting too many interests is not good. It's not advisable, I mean. So what can I put again? Let me see. Food, food and drink. I've put fast food already. So yeah, so sorry, my network is bad. The phone is hanging. This Nigeria. Can you see this is my audience? So fair enough. So please, this is just like I will always say, a training. Please do your own research depending on whatever you want to advertise yourself. Which account center account beyond your details when it's likely to, yeah, of course. So they're telling you if your detail targeting, the one we just picked, got the interest, if um like they're asking if they can reach more people that are most likely to respond to your ad, if is most likely going to improve the performance of your adverts other than the saved audience or detail targeting we're picking ourselves. So why not? Now languages, don't forget these languages. Don't forget at all. I'd rather pick English US, but most times I'll just leave it at English, or you can pick people that are speaking Swahili or Chinese. Now save the audience. Don't forget to save your audience, except you are certain you don't need the audience again. Now, what do you name the audience? traffic, add, saved, audience, one. Very good. Save. So guys, hope you're excited about this course. Send my money, send money to your girl. Now, if some people might say leave it at advantage percent, please edit it yourself, especially if your funds is not enough. So Facebook will not gonna be throwing your advert on apps that nobody used to open, people that are not interested. So pick your, this time I'm going to pick, going to leave out messenger. And I think this one also affects the size, because Facebook has different apps which you can see. It has Facebook, it has Instagram, it has Messenger, it has Audience Network. So obviously not everybody is on Facebook, so their own way can be. So if you pick only Instagram and your audience size reduces, you won't be surprised, because not everybody that is on Instagram is on Facebook. So I'm going to pick on the, now the devices, the ones, let me pick, let me leave it, this devices is only about, do you want mobile device or PC, laptop. Now the Facebook and Instagram, let me feed, stories and reels. Let me pick this. Let me leave this. So they've picked it for you, the ones that your adverts will most likely show. I don't want them to say in an article. You can pick apps. Me personally, I like apps. But you can take the ones, so the ones, audience network rewarded, audience network. It's okay. Now, specific mobile devices and operators. This is where you get to choose the specific mobile devices you want them. Where you say iOS, Android, MacBook, tablets. So I'll just leave it. Do you want only those connected to Wi-Fi? No. So just leave all this. So I guess we are done with the ad sets and review here. Here's the name, destination to your website, performance goal, maximize number of landing page view. Your landing page is the page that they land on when they click on your link, okay? You are sending traffic to that page, which is your website. That's why you choose your website. You need a landing page where you can choose websites. Start date, like, oh god, what's this? I'm so sorry about that. So where was I? This thing just set to frustrate me. End dates, we didn't set an end date. Should run all the time. We use the saved audience. We didn't use custom or lookalike audience. We always had the age. Don't mind these people. English, this the placement, this strategy. When you get charged, you get charged by impression, and that's a wrap. Next, please. Let's move on. Now, here is the, we've named our adverts. This is the Facebook page you are using. Don't forget to confirm your page. If you have an Instagram account that you want to connect, you connect it. If you connected before, you see the page here, or you click on the option connect. Now click on the ad here, create ad, manual upload. I told you the difference between single image. Now, just read it. Since you have enough media, blah blah, you should try carousel ad. Nah. Well, for the food, I advise you use carousel or even collection or video. If you use a single image, I don't know. But me, I don't have any ad because I'm not the one running the advert. It's just an example. I'm just advising you can pick carousel where you slide to see different dishes that you want to make. Collection, you can even put all the dishes on one screen so it will show. So you know all those kind of images on Facebook now where you see plus four plus three. Not the one you scroll up. This one is everything is on the front. So now this is where you add your media. You can create one right away or you add one from your phone. I'm not creating one, get out. So create video. Okay, you can even upload from here. Let me see, do I have any video there? Hmm. Let's see WhatsApp videos. I don't have videos there. Let me use one of these TikTok videos. There should be a food video here because I like food. Tell me, okay, I think this one. Hopefully, hopefully it is a food video. So you see, this video stuff is so stressful. They are reviewing the media. Can see media reviewing process. So we wait for this one. I think I'll just go for how long do it take? Sorry, but you guys should wait when it's your turn if you really want to use videos. Let me even try it again. If you want to use video, please wait. Let them review it. For me, I'm sure you guys this video is getting too long, which I don't like, but I need to show you, I need to teach you. So they are wasting my time literally. So I don't think I can wait for this. This one always hanging. You know what? Let me just go for an image. Okay, let's go for an image. Let's go for an image. Can't wait for all this one that they're doing. Please, let's switch this on. So whenever we upload it, let me even see if I can add the video from here. Okay, let me upload. So this should upload up hopefully. Can you see it's uploaded? So let's see, this is a video right here. It's telling us I'm sure it's the size of the video. It's telling us it might not show on certain placements. That's okay by me. Don't panic. Or you can always resize it. Just go and search online for how to do that. Giving you the size they want. So you just resize it. Search how to resize videos, resize it and upload it. Don't panic too much. So can you see these are the placements? Some of the placement that is not showing, it's not showing here, it's not showing here. Not showing here instruments for videos and reels. Not showing the now. That's okay by me though. Now my website. So my website, this is my website now. I knew this will happen. Your landing page views won't be tracked because this page blah blah does not have a pixel. You can fix this. So I told you about pixels and I said I'm going to show you in another video. So yes, don't panic. I'm going to show you for those of you that has website. And even if you don't have, you can always learn it to help you. So I'm going to show you how to install pixel, how to set up events. I told you that pixels are used to track events. What are the events? They are what's the actions you want your audience to click on your website on where they land. Do you want them to click on a particular button on your website? Do you want them to come to your DM? All those events, you're going to set it up. The pixels, you're going to install the pixel initially. That's what will help you to track the events. So I don't have a pixel. I've not installed my pixel, so that's why they're giving me this notification. And we are using, and I need them to come to my website. So if I don't have a pixel, they are just trying to say that they won't be able to track anything. So I just have to take the result of the ad as it comes. I won't be able to get insights. I won't be able to analyze. I won't be able to see how many the numbers that came to my that landed on my website. I won't be able to track anything. So that's it. I'll show you how to install pixel in another video. Now I told you that you can always choose to let me put a display link. Since this one is about food, let them see the name of my website. I'm thinking it's about money. So let me say chop now. Oh, I think the display link say if you have to have um Wait. Okay. So you can choose to put a call extension on your website, or you can send people to an event on your Facebook page, let people call you directly. So the call extension is either for these two. Do you want them to call you directly, or mm. So if you put this call extension, you just know that you ask for your phone number, and I don't want to put my phone number. It has even filled it already for me. Oh my god, Facebook. Yeah, I don't run on Instagram Reels. I know already. Don't disturb me. So you're just telling me that my